We'll guide you through how to use Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that's taking the design world by storm. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma in your web browser or desktop app and sign in to your account. From the home screen, create a new design file or open an existing project. Once the editor loads, you'll see the main canvas in the center, the File and Assets tabs in the left sidebar, the design tools in the toolbar, and the Properties panel on the right where you can edit selected objects. To start designing, select the Frame tool and create a frame for your artboard or screen. You can also use the Shape tools to add rectangles, ellipses, lines, and other basic elements. Click and drag on the canvas to draw your shapes. When an object is selected, use the Properties panel on the right to adjust its size, position, fill color, stroke, corner radius, effects, and layout settings. To add text, choose the Text tool, click anywhere inside your frame, and begin typing. You can customize the font, size, weight, spacing, alignment, and color from the Properties panel. As you build your design, organize your layers using the left sidebar to keep everything easy to manage. One of Figma's biggest strengths is real-time collaboration. Click the Share button in the upper right corner, invite teammates by entering their email addresses or copying a shareable link, and choose whether they can view or edit the file. Everyone with access can collaborate simultaneously, and you'll see their cursors and changes in real time. To create reusable design elements, select one or more objects, right-click, and choose Create Component, or use the keyboard shortcut. Components help you maintain consistency throughout your project and can be reused across multiple designs. You can also access your components later from the Assets tab in the left sidebar. When you're ready to preview an interactive prototype, switch to the Prototype tab in the Properties panel, connect your frames, then click Present to open your prototype in presentation mode. To export your work, select the frame or layer you want to export. Scroll to the Export section at the bottom of the Properties panel. Add an export setting, choose a format such as PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF, and click Export. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.